Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about profit management, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
So how do we know when to start collecting profit? So once we're in a trade, there are one of two things that are going to happen. Either it's going to go in our direction or against our direction. If it goes against us, we do nothing. If it goes towards us, we start getting into, hey, how are we going to keep this profit? In the beginning or early part of the day, prices moving all over the place, and we're in a position we want to make sure that we're going to get enough profit that it makes sense to start turning on the ticker and making sure that we're going to grab an appropriate amount or give the market its due and see what's going to happen. So typically we do not start taking profit or active profit management until the unrealized gain has reached about 75% of the risk. So in other words, if we had a butterfly, an out-of-the-money butterfly that cost us $1 to get in, we're not going to start actively managing the profit until it has reached at least 75 cents over that dollar, or the position's worth $1.75. Once that happens, we turn on our profit management and we're good to go. But that's what we generally do. We're waiting for it to get enough profit. Sometimes you get into a position and it shoots up really fast and very quickly you have maybe 150, 200% profit. That's fine. We're ultimately looking to see what the highest unrealized gain is. And as I said, our minimum for starting to profit manage is when it gets to 75% of the risk of unrealized gain, the highest point. And if it goes higher, then we just keep on, we use that as our trail, or see, that's how a trail works. A trail is always looking at the highest gain that has been achieved, and then the trail is from that point back, all right? So that's what we're doing. In this case, we're saying, hey, if you have a $300 debit on your fly, that might be the case on a 30-wide fly. And if we make up $225, then that's when we start. See, of paper profit, what that's saying is that we haven't actually taken a gain. It is sitting there. It's unrealized. I think a better way to say that instead of paper profit would be unrealized. And that's the industry term. All right, so this is showing what our trail looks like over the course of a day, or the course of a session. And in the beginning, it starts very wide. And you can see that over here, it's very wide. Here's profit going up, or price going up, or the value of our fly going up. And in the beginning, our trail, or the amount of room that we give it before we stop out, is very wide. And then as we go through the course of the day, it's getting narrower and narrower. Now, more often than not, most of our trades are going to stop somewhere around here, or maybe even here. And if we are closer into, or get closer to the close, or we get into the afternoon, that's a special case. But the probabilities of getting up to here are slowly diminishing, and then diminishing even faster. And so getting to the end of the day is actually a very low probability event that you're still in a trade, something around 2.5%. If you are right at the end of the day still in that trade, you're making a lot of money. So naturally you want to squeeze that trail to ensure that you keep that money that you've made.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.